One of my favorite coachings is mental toughness coaching. And I would like to share with you one of my tools, and I want to give it to you that you can use not only on the sports field, but also in the workplace. And that is called Train Your Brain. This is one of the Navy SEALs techniques they use to really prepare themselves for something that's going to be very difficult. Sometimes their training is more difficult than their actual situations. And the acronym I want to give you today is PBTA. PBTA. Pause, breathe, think, act. And one of the things before we get to that is Navy SEALs get themselves in uncomfortable situations. So here's my invitation. Take a cold shower. Just take it. 15 seconds. And see what it does for you. Planking. See if you can plank for a few seconds and then tomorrow for longer and the day thereafter and the day thereafter. Put yourself in an uncomfortable situation. Why? Because you can always refer back to that uncomfortable situation and say, but hey, if I can do this, I can do this and this and this. And another thing they do is visualization. They visualize what they're going to do. And that's where part of your Train Your Brain comes in, is visualize how you hit that goal. Visualize how you sprint faster. Visualize how you're going to run across the court. Visualize how you're going to perform in front of people. But I want to get to that PBTA. P stands for pause. Navy SEALs learn how to pause for just a split second. And then B stands for breathe. Now, breathing is quite important. It's not about breathing through your mouth and like this. This is not breathing. And I don't know if you know, but we are not breathing properly anymore. So I want to train you, teach you to train your body to get more oxygen through your body. And I coach a lot of professionals that apply this in hectic situations. To expand your diaphragm. So you breathe like this. There's no shoulders going up. And you need to breathe through your nose. So while you're walking to hit that ball, or while you're on the court or the rugby field, or wherever you are, or in the office, in a meeting, in a situation where you just need to be a bit more mentally tough. And in a split second, your heart rate goes from this to this. T stands for think. Now, if you want to learn how to think mentally tough, go and watch my growth mindset video. I don't have time to elaborate on that in this video. Go and look for the growth mindset video. There I train you, I teach you to use words, and while you are pausing, breathing, think growth mindset and use those words like not yet, next time, for me, in that split second that you need it. And then what will happen to your body? What will happen to your reaction? PBTA, you will start acting differently.